I just ate. Clothes might fit a little, you know, tight. Do me a favor, when you feel like you want to make a bad comment, look in the mirror. If you do not like what you see, if you don't feel like you are up to par, delete that comment. This is all about body positivity, no negativity. Good morning and happy Saturday. So today, I hope you rest well because we have a lot going on this weekend. First things first, before we go on with this video, okay? For those of you who are coming back to my channel, welcome back. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Joey Lisette. I'm a YouTuber. I create lifestyle, beauty, and travel content. Go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notifications button so you can be alerted when my next video come on. What's on today's agenda? This is about vacation preparation. I'm going on vacation in a few days. And you coming with me because we deserve this. We earned it. We're gonna turn up and we're gonna have a fun time. I just came back from running 6 miles. I need to get that extra snatchness when I'm on the beach. Today's nails. I have amazing Gel X nail tech. She's actually really good at what she does, so I'm super excited. Let me go ahead and plug her Instagram right here. Let's look at this. So yeah, so this is the maintenance vlog. Nails, Brazilian, lashes, give myself a little mini facial, packing. Also trying on outfits because I have, all my outfits have came except for one, which is my birthday dress, which I think this is it right here because my sister also ordered from the same place, but I think they maybe package my item in her thing. It's happened before. No, it hasn't. But it's a possibility because ain't no way mine is not here and hers is. So I'm gonna open it and check it. She claimed she paid 3-day shipping. I did standard. Oh, this is super cute, but none of this is mine. So clearly it is not my dress. So everything is here except for that dress. I need that dress.
Timothy's time to take over.
Still have to do my try on haul, still have to pack, do laundry, and I leave in less than 24 hours. I don't know why I do this to myself every time, but child, we're gonna get through it. So right now I'm on my way to my waxing appointment, and then afterwards I need to stop at Cosmoprof. After Cosmoprof, I'm going to head to my lash appointment. Tomorrow I'm gonna be on a flight. I'm so excited. Like, and you guys coming too? Do you ever feel like the tweezing hurts more than the actual wax? So my lash tech, she texted me because she really does not feel good. In fact, she feels really sick. The way my immune system is set up, you guys know my past, 3 vacations, I have been deathly sick. I don't know what it is, but it's the second time in the hospital. It is what it is. So this is the first one that I am not sick. I don't feel, no, like even thinking about it, I feel like my throat is getting scratchy. I am going to go home and do my little wispy falsies because your girl's looking bald headed. So now it is up to me to try these DIY lashes. I actually bought these a while ago. I have to be on a plane tomorrow, so I have to hype myself up. I can do this. I can do this. So I did this eye. I'll tell you guys, it was trials and tribulations. First off, I couldn't even get it on camera because I went to go do this eye and I put it underneath. Glue got in my eye, burned. I went blind for like 30 seconds. I gonna have to do it off camera, okay? But I feel like for my first time, looks pretty good. Lash map is 18, 18, 16, 16, 14. I think I'm gonna pull out 12 here. I don't know, we'll see. You know what? I actually think I'm gonna do my lashes on my own from here on out. Like, they look good. Let me just go ahead and apply the seal. Let me go ahead and wax these brows. Brows are done. I end up not tinting them because I wasn't feeling the tint. Like, I'll just pencil them in. Lashes done. Clothes are in the washer. So now I'm gonna do the try on portion before you even say anything, because the last time there's a little comment on there and you know, well, you was just trying to make a joke because you look like you eat way more than me. Do me a favor, when you feel like you want to make a bad comment, look in the mirror. If you do not like what you see, if you don't feel like you are up to par, delete that comment. Don't even speak it. Don't even think it, because chances are the reason why you making negative comments about somebody's body is a direct reflection of how you feel about yourself. Please don't blow me. So this is all about body positivity. This actually looks so good. This looks vacay. This looks so good. This looks so good. Look, come through. Just cute. Cute, colorful, definitely vacation. Did not disappoint. I read also too on the reviews, they said to size down, but I did. Usually I'm a size large, but I got a medium. Definitely fits perfect. Let's eat them up. that? I'm playing, let me stop. I love bright colors. I've never been a neutral girly. I love being colorful. I feel like that's part of my personality. Definitely daytime. First of all, this material is so freaking soft. So this is definitely comfortable. Don't feel like it's gonna rise up. May have to check on the girls every once in a while. Listen, did I come here to play? This is cute. Oh, listen, if you can't be your biggest fan. This one is cute. I don't know. This is cute. See-through, real see-through. Ooh, child. The best thing for me is the other dresses are comfortable. They have stretch, so I know after I eat, I can be good. Whew. Now this is all the way to the floor. This is beautiful. I have one more dress, then I go into the swimsuit. Definitely dinner time dress. I love one pieces. I love one piece. I love a one piece. The straps belong here. The child, it almost strangled me and I got attitude and I said I'm gonna just leave it here for now. Another one piece thing together. So cute. I can't find a cover up to this. I had a black cover up, but I can't find it, so I might just use the beige one for it. It is 7:34 and I still have to finish laundry. I have 2 other swimsuits to try on, but it's 2 pieces. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. I'm so excited.